नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मराठी दुनिया चॅनलवर मी गैबिनंद घोगे आपलं सहर्ष स्वागत करीत आहे। कृपया चॅनल सबस्क्राइब करा, व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास लाईक करा आणि नवनवीन अपडेटसाठी बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करणे विसरू नका। धन्यवाद।
स्टँडर्ड 2 सब्जेक्ट मॅथ एडिशन अँड सबट्रॅक्शन अ पेयर मीडियम सेमी इंग्लिश पेज नंबर 31 addition and subtraction a pair. Let me take some example. What is mean by addition and subtraction a pair? 14 plus 23 is equal to 37. Look at these three numbers. Here it is 14, 23 and 37. This is a example of addition. Now we take some another example. 37 minus 23 is equal to 14. Look at this example. Above three numbers are arranging their order 37, 23 and 14. And another example 37 minus 14 is equal to 23. Look at these two subtractions examples. Above one addition example and below two subtraction examples. It means every example of addition we can get two examples of subtractions. Let me explain with another example. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Look at these three numbers 9, 8 and 17. We make two subtractions examples from this one. One is 17 minus 9 is equal to 8 and second is 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Here it is one addition example makes two subtraction examples. So from every example of addition we can get two examples of subtraction. You can check this for yourself. But from 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 we get only one subtraction. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. In this example 7 and 7 both are same numbers and we get only one subtraction. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Now we take another example to explain how addition and subtraction makes examples. Fill in the boxes. 24. This number we divide to another numbers 10 plus 14. 10 plus 14 is equal to 24. Now we take addition example first. How many plus how many is equal to how many? 24, 10 and 14. These three numbers are arranging there and we can arrange them in next three box. 14 and 10. 14 plus 10 is equal to 24. Now we arrange these three numbers in subtraction examples. First subtraction example is how many minus how many is equal to how many? 24 is bigger number, so we arranging first 24. Then we arrange 14 or 10. First we arrange 14 here. 24 minus 14 is equal to 10. You can look 24, 14 and 10. These three numbers are arranging their order. Now we take another subtraction example from these three numbers. How many minus how many is equal to how many? And here we put first 24, then 10 and then the answer 14. It means 24 minus 10 is equal to 14. In this way we take another example to explain. Fill in the boxes. 77 and 77 is divided by two numbers 22 and 55. You can take another number to dividation 77. I will take 22 and 55. 22 and 55 it means 77 and here it is we place addition example first. In these three boxes we put these three numbers in three boxes. First we put 55 and then put 22, 55 plus 22, and here it is, the example's answer is 77. You can understand 77. It means these three numbers we only arranging them in their order. We take another subtraction examples. First example is 77 minus 55 is equal to 22, and another subtraction example is 77 minus 22, and then the answer is 55. 77 minus 22 is equal to 55. Now you can look here. One addition example makes two subtraction examples. Another example we can take. 46 means 21 and 25 addition. 25 and 21 means 46. And here it is, we place addition example first. In these three boxes, we put these three numbers. First we put 25 and then 21, and 25 plus 21 means 46. Then we make subtraction example, and first example is these above three numbers we only arranging them in these boxes. 46 minus 25 is equal to 21. Another subtraction example is we only arrange these three numbers in boxes in their order. 46 minus 21 is equal to 25. In this way, we make one addition example makes two subtraction examples. Fill in the boxes. 84. 84 means 60 plus 24. I will divide 84 between 60 and 24. You can also divide any other number with 84. 60 plus 24 is equal to 84. Now we arrange these three numbers in addition example. 24 and 60. 24 plus 60 is equal to 84. Now we make another two examples from this one. And first example is we arrange above three numbers in below three boxes only. First we arrange 84 minus 24 is equal to 60, and then we make another example from addition example of above. 84 minus 60, this time we take 60 first, and then we arrange 24. 84 minus 60 is equal to 24. 35 means 20 plus 15. 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. Now we make addition example from these three numbers. Only arrange three numbers in these boxes. Now 15 plus 20 is equal to 35. Now we make subtraction example from above addition example. 35 minus, first we take 15 and then we take 20. It means 35 minus 15 is equal to 20. And then another example we get 35 minus, this time we take 20 first and 15 the last. 35 minus 20 is equal to 15. In this way we make two subtraction examples from one addition example. Vedasri read 9 pages of a book. How many more pages should she read to finish reading 15 pages? What is given? Number of pages to be read and number of pages already read. These two things are given. So what we can do? What should we do? Add or subtract? I will take away 9 from 15 and see how many are left. See, make an example. 15 minus 9 is equal to, you can get answer from 9 counting by 9 to 15. 9 to 15 and the answer we get is 6. But another method, I will count from 9 forward up to 15 to get the subtraction. 9 plus how many is equal to 15. So the boy count 9 forward up to 15 and 9 forward up to 15. The answer is 6. Therefore 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Hassan collected 30 seeds. Some of them are chiku seeds and the remaining 22 are of custard apples. How many chiku seeds are there in this example? What is given? Number of seeds and custard apples. And what is asked? Chiku seeds. So we can, to get answer, we use subtraction method first. Number of seeds are 30 minus and number of custard apples is 22. Both numbers we make subtraction and we get the answer 30 minus 22. We can count forward from 22 up to 30 and we get the answer 8. Then we take addition method to solve this problem. 22 and how many is equal to 30. If you counting forward from 22 up to 30, we get 8. And in this way, 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 and 30 minus 22 is equal to 8. Therefore, 30 minus 22 is equal to 8. Solve. 8 plus how many is equal to 17. Now we count forward from 8 up to 17 and we get the answer is 9. Therefore, how many minus 9 is equal to 8? Look at this example. Only 3 numbers here, 8, 9 and 17. 9 and 8 is arranging, but 1 numbers are remaining. Which number is remaining? Yes, 17. In this way, and 17 minus 8 is equal to 17 and 8, 2 numbers are here, but not 1 number. It means 1 number remaining. Which is remaining? 9. In this way, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Therefore, 17 minus 9 is equal to 8 and 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 29 plus how many is equal to 32? If you count forward from 29 up to 32, we get the answer 3. Therefore, how many minus 3 is equal to 29? 3 and 29 numbers are arranging here, but 1 number is remaining. Which number is remaining from the last 3 number? Yes, 32 is remaining. It means 32 minus 3 is equal to 29. And 32 minus 29 is equal to 3. 42 plus how many is equal to 49? If you counting forward from 42 up to 49, you get 7. Therefore, how many minus 7 is equal to 42? 2 numbers are arranging here and 1 number is remaining. Which number is remaining? Yes, 49 is remaining. 49, 7 and 42. These 3 numbers are arranging their order by step, and 49 minus 42 is equal to which number is remaining? 49 and 42 is arranging and 1 number is remaining and those number is 7. In this way, 49 minus 42 is equal to 7.